Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class.
Okay, children, so we are going to do an activity today. Our chapter is about myself, okay? And for this activity, you need a bangle, colors, it can be crayons or pencil colors, okay? Scale, pencil, and eraser. Okay, these all things you need for our today's activity, and of course, your EVS notebook. Okay, okay. So take out a blank page of your EVS notebook. Plain page, okay? One side is plain and the other side is ruled now. We are going to do on that drawing page. You have to draw, leave some space on all the sides. All the four sides you will leave some space, 2-finger space you can say, okay? 2-finger space, and then draw a line, make a box. Leave 2-finger space this side, 2-finger space this side, 2-finger space this side, and also on the below side, and make a box like this. You must use a scale while drawing the lines. Okay, when your box is perfect, then you can draw with the color pencil or crayon. So what we have done, we have made a rectangle. On the top you will write chapter's name, about myself, activity. Leave some space here because we are going to draw a border on the either side of the rectangle. Okay, and now you have brought a bangle. Keep a bangle here and make a circle from inside, and without removing that, make a circle outside. Okay, one circle from inside and the other one from outside. So like this you will get 2 circles. Okay, and then draw 2 lines like this, a broader one and a U shape below. Once again you have to double this, okay? Okay, and you know what is this? This is a mirror. What we have drawn here is a mirror. And what happens when you hold a mirror in front of you? You will see your image. So what are you going to do is paste a picture of yourself here. If you don't have a picture of yourself, then you can draw a cartoon here, your cartoon. Okay, either you have a photo, paste a photo here. If you don't have a photo, then you can draw your cartoon here. Okay, imagine if you were a cartoon, then how you will look like. That you have to draw here. Okay, because this is a mirror, and when you hold a mirror in front of you, who will be there in the image? You only, right? Okay, done this much? Okay, so this is the mirror. You are going to paste your picture here. Okay, if you doesn't have your picture, then you are going to draw a cartoon of yourself. Okay, and what are you going to write here? I love myself. Yes, we all love myself. I love myself. Do you? So you will write here, I love myself. And here you are going to write, I am your name here. Okay, I will write my name. You will write your name here. Okay, then you are going to write here, I like and here you are going to draw rainbow. Rainbow, you know, rainbow have many colors, and this rainbow will consist of the colors you like. Whichever color you like, you are going to make a rainbow with those colors. It can be 2 color, 3 color, 4 color, or more than that. Okay, but all the colors should be of your choice, the colors which you like. Okay, so that means you like these colors, all these colors you like. Okay, so what have we done? I love myself. Here a picture will be there. Whose picture? Your picture. Okay, you will write, I am Anu. You will write your name. I like these colors. My favorite colors are brown, blue, green, orange. You will color the colors you like. You will make a rainbow with the colors you like. Okay, and after that, I am, and here you are going to make a birthday cake. How to make a birthday cake? Just see, make a rectangle, make 2 lines, and then on the top you will make a circle like this, and a very small circle on the top. It will be cherry for you, and then you can make design on the first line. This is your cake. Okay, I am, and inside that circle you are going to write the number, that is how many years old. It can be 4, 5. I am writing 5. Okay, so you am writing 5. I am 5 years old. Okay, so inside the cake you are going to write the number 4, 5 or 6, how much years you are. Okay, I am your name. I like your favorite colors here. I am dash years old. I have written 5 for you because most of you are 5 years old. Okay. After this, you are going to make a rectangle here again. Okay. How much space is left now? There you will make one more rectangle. Okay. And then what are you going to do in this? You will write I. You will make a heart. How to make a heart? Like you write M now. Similar way you make a heart. And you know what is the meaning of heart? What is that? I love. Now whatever you love you can write it here. Dancing, singing, playing, reading. You can write the edible things also. I love cake, ice cream, whatever. Okay. So I have given you a big space to write whatever you want to write. I am going to write my things which I love. Okay. Either you can write in spelling or you can draw some pictures like I love ice cream. Okay. I also love toffee. Chocolates, toffees, you like? Okay. I love eating cakes. You know how to draw cake now. I already told you. Okay, in a similar way, make a cake here. If you want, you can write spellings also. Parents can help them with their spellings. And I like playing with a ball. Use all the beautiful colors and make the drawings. Okay. I like a doll. I am not very good at drawing. You can make a better one. Okay, this is my doll. So I love ice cream, toffees, cake, playing with a ball, and my doll. This is my doll. I love my doll. Okay. And what else? Reading. I like reading, so I'm going to make a book here. Okay. So I have completed my thing. And after you complete what you love, that is your favorite things. Remember, we have done in our last class about my favorite. So these are all my favorite things. So I love ice cream, toffee, cake, ball, reading, doll, etc. You can add many more things here. And then you have to decorate this rectangle we have made now. You are going to make design over there with the same color or a different color. Make a border. I know your drawing is much better than me. I am not very good at drawing, children. You will draw better than me, I know. Okay? So you are going to make a border like this on all the four sides. With any color you can do it, or with different colors. Here you can do red, green, blue, yellow, whatever you feel like. Okay, it is up to you. You can make a different border as well. Not necessary you are going to do the same thing the teacher is doing. You can fill it completely or just make lines like I am doing. It's up to you. It's your wish. Okay, ma'am. Whenever you are doing an activity, you can choose the colors of your choice. Not necessary you have to take the same colors. Okay, is it looking good? Okay, so hereby I complete my activity about myself. I love myself. I am dash, your name. I like brown, blue, green, orange colors. I am dash years old. You will write your years here. It can be 4 or 5. I love ice cream, chocolates, cake, playing with a ball, playing with a doll. I like reading. Okay. So this was all for today, children. Thank you so much. I hope you must have enjoyed this. And you can paste a picture here. If you don't have a picture, draw a picture of yourself.